All right, this is Lee's 2011 ZR1. For those of you that don't know, ScrapLife Garage is their YouTube channel. I've known Lee for a long time. I did his other ZR1, done bunch cars for all those guys down there. Got this thing on the dyno now. I believe it's a 377. What is this, a 377 or 388?
It's still LS9. So
Oh, it's 376, okay, or whatever.
Yeah, I guess they went a little over, so I guess.
Yeah, it's 377, okay. Yeah, so stock cube basically, but I'm sure it's like 5 thousandths over. So 377, I think it's like 10.5 to 1 compression. R cylinder head and cam package. Kong 2650, the new lid, Kong intake, etc. We're gonna see what this thing does. You can probably find more information on his channel if you haven't, or if you don't subscribe to him. Do that. He's got a cool ass channel. If you're coming here from his channel, thank you. Let's see what she's got. This thing may make a lot of boost. At 4,600, it made 20 pounds already. I didn't actually change a lot. I added a little bit of timing, and I'm just gonna rev it out a little further. So we'll see what we got. This thing I just found, it does not have meth on it. I thought it did, but small changes. See if we can make a full pull. I think I forgot to plug in the fucking tach. Yeah, I forgot to plug the coil back in because I changed tach signal. Sounds much better now. Obviously, I can't really run any timing in this thing because it's on straight 93. This is a DSX fuel system?
Yeah, with like that bigger pump that, whatever the hell makes.
I remember seeing your video, like an AEM something or whatever, right?
Yeah, Synergy makes a bigger pump to go in its place. It's like relayed and everything.
All right, change a little bit of fuel. Spiked or some shit, so but it made 873. It made the same thing as the pull before, but it made 26,000 foot-pounds of torque, so this thing's sick. But you gotta remember, this on straight pump gas, so 870 on straight pump is not bad. If this had meth in it, it'd probably make 930, 940, but we'll see what it does on the E, which I know he doesn't give a f what this thing makes on pump gas, so probably just ready for E. I don't need to worry about getting a cold pull or anything like that. He don't give a shit.
The torque might be a little off still.
Yeah, a little bit. The pull before, the two pulls before it was fine. It just had a weird spike there. But I'm assuming you don't really care what this thing makes on pump gas.
No, not at all.
Okay, I didn't think so. Reading was messed up again, but that was a full pull, like 6,900. I made 885, so pretty stout, to be honest with you. Like I said, doesn't matter what this thing makes on pump gas because he's never going to drive it on pump gas. So we're going to put some real gas in it. We'll be back. All right, got some E in it. It's 46%. good this time. Try resetting everything. All right, we let it cool down, and we also changed the tack signal to the other side of the motor to see if maybe something's fucking it up. I don't know, we'll see. We just took all the RPM signals off, and I'm just making pulls with nothing, and it reads horsepower only. So 975 there, got 48% E in it. Yeah, that's fine. I don't give a fuck about torque. 48% E right now.
Yeah. We got room. We got plenty of room, right?
We got room and timing also. We'll see how this thing likes a little more timing. I'd like 16.5 in it there. $1,006 there, 975 pulled before. So it's got 17.5 now. I'm just gonna have him dump the rest of that E in, please. I was gonna say dump some more E in. I was gonna add some timing, but I'll just let it do it itself. Oh yeah, sorry. Do you want me to have it set up to where the intercooler pump is on with just key on?
You tell me.
I mean, you just have to remember that you can't leave the key on too long or it'll kill the fucking battery.
I hear it for sure. I'm cognizant of that.
But it's good to like circulate it and cool down if you want to like.
Yeah, do it.
Okay. Yeah, I mean you can definitely hear it. But it's got 55% E in it now, so let's see what we got. I'm gonna put a little more timing in this thing. It doesn't have a ton in it right now.
How are things looking in there?
It's a whole lot of twos.
Yes, it is.
Good. It's probably not going to make much more, like, as hot as it is right now, so we'll probably let it cool down for a little bit, and then make a pull. It's at 60% E, so. We'll let it cool down for a little bit. We're going to guess it down. I think it'll make 1,052. We didn't let it cool down a ton, because he's got to roll, but should be cooled down enough to pick up some power.
What did you guess?
1,052. I was close.
What was yours?
1,053. So I was trying to price this right, but I went the wrong way.
Okay.
Should have hit it with the 1 horsepower. That would have got me there.
Whatever, that's all it's going to make. Which is not bad for stock cubes, not crazy compression.
I don't know if there's another round of mods that I'll do to the car, but maybe we'll try for 1,100 here at some point.
Whoops. Forgot I was still recording. Later.